So in a recent interview, Fox News and Fox Business News analyst Charles Payne interviewing the stock whisperer, talking to her in specifics about dark pools, guys, but also this SEC rule talking about 24-hour late reporting when it comes to trades that happen within dark pools. So we're going to discuss not only that rule, but also a product that Citadel offers called Citadel Connect, which is A, not registered with FINRA as a dark pool, and B, trades allegedly hundreds of $millions a day in trade activity. So first off, let's discuss this dark pool late reporting rule, guys.
Yeah, so like we're referencing, of course, that video and that interview, and also this article here from the Tokenist. So we'll go in there and we'll talk about Citadel Connect. I think the interesting point about that late reporting and when it comes to 24-hour reporting is it used to be that if you put a block order through, like if you wanted to have a big block trade that didn't affect the market, those would happen in aftermarket hours. Like it wouldn't happen like during the day. And the reason for that is you basically want to get those shares through without disrupting the market, and there was no facility. There's been lots of more block trades that go through now, and why it matters so much is, and we've seen some of the tops and the peaks and valleys on AMC, and when technical traders are often looking at things like volume to be able to give them an idea what's going on in the trade, especially tape reading, right? So when you get to some of these like recent highs and have these reversals, if you don't see the amount of volume coming in at those sell prices in real time, it can be deceiving for a short-term trader. And I think this is where I think a lot of the concern would come in, that people want things reported to the tape because everyone is looking to the market. They look to volume as an indicator. I'm day trading here, and I will look at the tape of AMC, and you like to be able to believe that you're seeing everything. So, to the extent that there may be this product by Citadel, which is not registered, and there's a lot of volume going through it, I think a lot of people are going to be concerned with it. But the truth of the matter is, eventually things do get reported to the tape. We have seen late prints before. This is not something which is totally new to see big block trades reported late to the tape. I just think there's more interest in this, in particular because of the volume that goes on in your AMCs and your GameStops in the dark. Because I'll sit here looking at the tape, and at times it feels like 50% of the prints are going in dark pool trading. And then to know that you're not even seeing all of that is where the concern comes in for some traders.
Look, I mean, it happens on all names here, whether or not it's going to be AMC or whatever. But, I mean, these are products, Citadel Connect, it's there. It's on their website. I mean, I have it up right here if you need any more instruction on what it is. They don't hide behind what we're doing, right? It's extensive cost transaction savings, competitive fill rates, minimal market impact. I mean, I think that's the thing right there, right? So, and I mean, look right here. Here in NEO this morning, I mean, you had a print all the way up here, the largest pre-market print so far today, 503,000. So about 500,000 share print goes off right here. It drives the market to $44. Basically, that's where the print goes up to. And you can see here, the market just falls right back into line and comes right back in. So, whether or not you think that these are affecting the market, obviously they're there. And I think the big thing for Stephanie, and especially as you read through, you watch the interview, you talk about this stuff. Look, it's just about knowing that it's there. And I think that if you know something, dark pools have the power to print. You have that 24 hours in there. So always good to go back and look. But I've had traders show me dark pools of Microsoft trading like at, $250, and then a dark pool goes off at 220. Like, give me a break. Those don't mean anything, right? So you gotta watch to see, are there patterns here? What's happening? Because look, just trust me when I tell you this, do your own research on where these dark pools and what they trigger, okay? Because in my opinion, they don't mean anything.
And that's a great point, and well said, guys. And I was going to show you this NAOV from this morning as well. One stock doing higher than normal volume in the pre-market. Here we go, same thing. 8 a.m. our time. This thing prints off 1.7 million. And again, these are just prints coming from dark pools being reported in the pre-market. So what does that mean? It went from 380 to 320 during that printing reporting, and then the stock does nothing but go straight down all morning long. So as Sean was saying, do your own research, understand that this is here and it does happen. What that means remains to be seen. Guys, here's Valeria.
Hey guys, thank you for sharing this important information. Dear viewers, please subscribe to this channel to see more great videos.